Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're doing a 2-week update on the Toyotress Ocean Wave hair. I also wanted to go ahead and try out this Downy trick I've been hearing about. So that is what we're going to be doing today, and I'm going to just give you an update on how I feel about the hair. So if you guys are interested in hearing an update on the Toyotress Ocean Wave hair, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, let me know how you guys feel about this method. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. Alright beauties, so this is my hair. This is the 2-week update on the hair. Let me just kind of show you. I literally just took it out the scarf. I started off when I first started wearing this hair twisting it up every night. I'd say within the last 3 days I haven't been twisting it. I've just been putting it into my scarf, and this is how it looks. It's not bad at all, honestly. You know, obviously it's curls, so it clumps together, so you just have to separate the curls, but it's not bad. The only thing I would say is it feels a little dry, but it's synthetic hair, so you expect a level of dryness. It's not over dry, but it is a little dry, so that's why I was thinking about trying the Downy method to see if it softens it up. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn around to the back so you can see how the back looks also. So this is what it is looking like, you guys. This is straight out of the scarf. Let's go ahead and try the Downy method. Now what I did is I have this spray bottle here I got from Walmart, and this is the Downy I use. It's called Infusions Calm. It has lavender vanilla bean in it. It's a fabric conditioner, and I used 1 capful of that in here, and then I filled the rest up with warm water. So let's go ahead and start seeing how this works, and then we'll work these edges and just have it just do our hair together. So let's go ahead and part this out here. I'm just going to work on separating the hair first. I'm doing this all with you guys. I promise I have not done anything to my hair. Literally just popped the scarf on, soaked on it, and took it off. For 2 weeks, this looks really, really good. I think the hair looks amazing. I really do think I can get a full month out of this, but I do want to, like I said, try and soften it if I'm going to do that. And I already have my hair ready for the next install, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because I have a new hair already lined up for y'all to see. I'm going to be doing an update on my sleep journey as well, so you guys can see that, and I'll give you more information on that at that time. But that is a part of the reason I decided to start doing crochet styles. It's because of some of the things that happen when you get the sleeve. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about that journey, make sure you subscribe because I got more info for you. So we're just separating the curls because they are clumped together. But as you can see, it's not like a lot of tension. It doesn't like it where it's like snagging. This curl separates so easy with this hair, and I really love the curl pattern. It's just such a beautiful wave. I love it. I didn't end up cutting it. I told you guys I might cut it to frame my face. I didn't end up cutting it. I felt like it kind of framed pretty well on its own. But now I told you guys with my hair, the sides always end up getting weak and collapsing. It only happened on one side so far. This side is actually still fine. This side, it did end up collapsing on this one, not this one though. On this one, so I had to rebraid it, and there's no hair on that part, but I don't wear it up, so you can't really tell. So I still am having that issue with my hair being so soft that it's collapsing, but it only happened on one side this time, so that's like a plus, and it's not like visual. You can't really tell. So that's another plus. So this is how the hair looks. All of it is to the front right now, and this is with us just separating the curls. As you can see, the body comes back full force, and it looks amazing. And then like when I get to the bottom here with this hair, like this is not your hair, you know what I'm saying? So you see this, just take it and pull it, and it'll come out. And that's just like the hair that was kind of bunching up there. Okay, so this is me just backing up where you can see from the top of my head to the bottom. This is where the hair lies. This is how the edges look right now. So now we're about to start doing the Downy method. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start spraying this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off this front part. We'll do about that much at a time. So here we go. If it does nothing else, it's gonna make your hair smell good. It smells really good. And right now I'm just working it through. With my fingers. Work it. Work it. Okay, so this is an immediate difference. If you want to see, this is how this front section looks, and the hair does feel a lot softer. And then this is how it looks. Let me do this front section. I'll show you this front section. This is how the front section looks without the Downy, and this is how the front section looks with the Downy. And looking at this and looking at this, it does look more conditioned. If you look at the difference here, this side looks more conditioned, it looks more shiny, and I don't know, it looks more new. So I think the Downy does work. You can look at the ends, you can see the difference. So let's go ahead and work the rest of this through. This is looking good so far though, y'all. So this is like a nice refresher for when you have crochet hair and you are gonna wear it for a long extended period of time. Going through it with this, it feels so much softer. Touching this and then touching this, it feels so much softer. It's definitely giving me what I've been trying to get as far as the softness that I was saying I was missing. So, all right. I am not mad, y'all. So this is the next section we're gonna do. Right here. Now the curls already off the top are not that hard to comb through, but once you spray this on it, your fingers literally go right through. It's not like hard at all. All of those little bunches of curls that were up here that were a little tangly are just falling apart now. Whereas when it was dry, you gotta work it. And this just kind of just make them fall apart. So if you have crochet hair, this method is working so well right now. I'm super impressed. And I'm gonna show you, this is the front half of this side. So this is without any of the product, and this is with the Downy. And so you guys tell me if you see the difference. Look at how this looks, and look at how this looks. Doesn't this look like nice, shiny and new? Like the hair looks brand new. And then this doesn't look bad, but it looks worn in. So it literally makes it look like it's a fresh install when you put the Downy in. Like look at the shine in the body. Look at how detangled that is, and look at this. See that? And this doesn't look bad by all means. This hair is bomb. I highly recommend it. Honestly, this is probably one of my favorite hairs I've ever installed. After being in for 2 weeks and it's still looking this good, yes, I'm here for it. This is the back. So this is what the ends look like before I go through. Just so you have a visual, this is what they look like before I do the Downy. This is what they look like after. You see there's a big difference. I do need to cut this about right here, but you can see there's a big difference. So let's go ahead and spray her down. The way it like automatically just detangles is like, wow, it's crazy. Like you just, because I didn't think that it was, you know, bad how it was. I felt like the hair was bomb how it was, and I felt like the tangles weren't that bad. But when you spray this on there, the way the tangles like come out so easily is crazy. It's like it just literally is like a leave-in conditioner. So now these are the ends we're left with, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissors and start cutting those. We got one side done. Look at how much body this has. Look at how much, like, how good this looks. It looks so good. Okay, so this is the other side. I'll put to the front, okay? Look at this. Do y'all see the difference? The curls just look so fresh on this side. I'm loving it. I'm gonna go around to the back so you guys can see how the back is looking. Now let's go ahead and do some edges, just so we can have it looking how it'll look when I wear it. A little side part action too. All right, so this is what it looks like with my edges done. Let's go ahead and just and then I'll just oil my scalp and have it looking nice and bright. But this is the middle part with the edges done. I am here for it. The hair is looking so good, y'all. I'm here for it. So this is 2 weeks. I'm gonna probably keep this in for another 2 weeks. I wanna see if I can make it last for a month. And then we'll be ready to do our next install. I'm really excited about the next install too. The hair looks really pretty. So let's go ahead and show you the middle part. This is how I generally have been wearing it. I like to keep it in the middle part when I go to sleep, so that if I do the part on the side, it will hold on. If I do the part on the side, it will have like a bump up, you know what I mean? It'll be like, it'll have some body. So just separating the hair. And as far as every day, I don't put product on this hair, so I haven't put anything on it aside from doing this refresher that we just did. I barely even put water on it. The hair just really is really good hair. Isn't that cute? Side part just looks so cute. I love side parts. It just frames my face so cute. So if I'm going somewhere, if I'm going out, best believe it's gonna be a side part for me. It just gives me body. It looks beautiful and just, it dang near looks like a weave. Like you couldn't even really tell that it's like crochet, right? I love it. I think it's so cute. This hair, you guys, is I think it's a 10. I have not had any issues with this hair. My hair has been the only issue where it just collapsed on the side. But like I said, you can't even tell that on this bottom row here. I don't have any of the hair because my hair is just super soft and just be giving me issues. But you can't tell. You cannot tell at all. This looks so pretty. You guys let me know how you feel about this hair. Let me know how you feel about this method. Get you some Downy if you get it. I do recommend you guys get this specific smell because it's not overbearing and it smells really good. This method absolutely works. As you can see, the hair is looking refreshed. It's looking brand new. This looks like a brand new install. If you look at my original install video, it almost looks just like when I first put the hair in. So I'm here for it. If you guys have any questions, leave the questions below and I will definitely answer them for you. The detangling of this hair is not hard, as you can see. It doesn't shed bad. I haven't had any really bad shedding issues. The hair just is really nice. It's really good hair and I highly recommend it. So Ocean Wave Toyotress. Use code Yolanda if you guys want to save some coin. But yes, this is beautiful. That is my 2-week update. I love the hair. I love the Downy method. I love the fabric softener method. It works. The hair looks amazing to me. You guys let me know in the comments how you feel. Do you like the way this hair looks? Do you feel the method worked? Do you think it did anything? Let me know. Let me know if you try it and if you feel like it does anything as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, just giving you an update and showing you the Downy method. And I'll be back, like I said, within the next week or two with a new install with new hair. So make sure that you guys are following me. I also do makeup tutorials, and we'll be also including more lifestyle. So we'll be having clothes hauls and all those things as well. So stay tuned, y'all. I got content coming for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. And don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there is only one you. Bye.